Hello everyone, in this video we will see Python data types. In programming languages, data type is an important concept and variable can store data of different types and different types can do different things. So Python has the various type of built-in data types by default and we will see these topics in this video. So first is text type. To text to store a text type of data we have string data types, so we use str to show the data type of string. So if I want to create a variable string and I want to assign a value to it, a string, and if I want to get the data type of this string, I will yeah print. I will use the type method and inside type I will write the name of my variable. Yeah, you can see it is printing str, so it means my string variable is type of string. Okay, so we have next numeric type. In numeric type we have three data types. First is integer, the other one is float, and then the complex. To show the data type of integer we simply write int, and I want to create a variable named x and I will assign a value to it 6. We do not need to declare any data type before assigning a variable. As we assign a value to any variable, we are creating a variable of that data type as we assigning the value. Okay, so I want to print the data type of x. I will use the type method x. So yeah, you can see this is printing int. So that means my x variable is a type of integer, and integer contains the whole numbers which includes the positive, negative without any decimal. Okay, so other numeric type data type is float. Float, to show the float we simply write float, and we have a decimal values to show the float data type. I'm writing y and I will assign a float value. We can write a single or more decimal values, so I want to print the type of this variable y, so I just write type, and inside type I will put my variable, and yeah, you can see we got the float. So this means y is a float type data type. So next one is complex. To show the complex data type, we simply write complex, and to show a complex, we use j as a imaginary part, as my imaginary part. So yeah, if I want to create a variable z, and I will assign a value 6 plus 5j, so it will print a complex data type, and yeah, I want to print this, so I will use print, and now type, inside type I will put my variable. So you can see the complex, it means the z is my complex type variable, storing complex type values in my z variable. Okay, so next we have sequence type. In sequence type we have list data type and tuple and range. So we will discuss this thing after some videos. Okay, so next type is mapping. Mapping is for dictionary, and we use DSCT to show the dictionary. And the other one is set type. We have two data types in set types. First one is set, and the other one is frozen set. Frozen set. Okay, so these two data types are the type of set, and now we have Boolean data types. In Boolean data types, we simply write bool, and yeah, if I want to create a data type of bool, simply I will create a variable and I will assign a value true or false to it. So I'm assigning true now, and as I print this, so this will print a type, and inside type I will write v. So Yeah, you can see the type of variable v is bool, and this is a boolean type data type. In binary type, we have three data types: bytes, byte array, and memory view. Byte, bytes, and byte array, yeah, UI, and memory view. Okay, so this is not, and yeah, these three data types comes under the binary type data types. We will discuss this thing also in another videos. And the other one is our NoneType. Yeah, if the value is none, then the type of the variable will be none. Yeah, we can see this by taking an example. So I'm assigning a variable and I'm giving a none value to it. If I will print the type of variable t and type of t. So yeah, if I run this, you can see this is the NoneType variable. Okay, to get the data type, we simply use the type function as we are doing this, and type, and inside type we write simply our variables, like we earlier created t, and I want to print this, so I will write a print function and I will print this, and this will NoneType. So this is the getting data type. We simply use type, and inside type we use our variable. Okay, setting the data types. To set the data type, we simply assign a value to the variable. For example, if I assigning x equal to 6, it means the x become the integer type data type. If I want to print, if I want to give 6.0, this is now my float data type, because I'm assigning a float value to x variable, so it will become my float data types of the x. And if I assigning a string, so x is now my string data type. And if I assigning a list to the x, so it will become now my list type data type. Okay, so if I assigning any other data type, so this will become the that particular the value that the variable contains the value. This will become the data type of the variable. We do not need to declare any variable first. So setting the specific data type, we need to uh, you need to specify the type. For example, I want to create a x with the value of integer. Okay, so I will simply do this, x equal to integer, and inside integer we will write 4. Okay, so this is my integer type data type. Yeah, if I want to create 4.0, so this is also my integer type data type. If I want to print the type of x, print type of x, so this will give me integer type. Even we have provided a decimal value to it because we specify the integer. So this is my integer type data type. Okay, so this is all thing for the video. In next video we will cover the numeric type data types in detail. So thank you for watching, and if you like the video and learn something new, so please make a like and hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification to get notified. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.